Morning and night. 1. Good morning, how are you? 2. I am brushing my teeth now. 3. She is preparing breakfast. 4. I wake up at 6 o'clock. 5. He goes jogging every morning. 6. The sun is rising. 7. It's time to go to bed. 8. Good night, sweet dreams. 9. The stars are shining brightly. 10. I am setting the alarm. Work in office. 11. I am going to the office. 12. He is attending a meeting. 13. She is typing an email. 14. Please answer the phone. 15. I am working on a report. 16. They are discussing the project. 17. We have a deadline tomorrow. 18. The boss is very strict. 19. I am taking a short break. 20. Let's finish the work today. Friends and social. 21. He is my best friend. 22. We are playing together. 23. She is calling her friend. 24. Let's go out for lunch. 25. I am meeting my friends today. 26. They are laughing loudly. 27. Please come to my house. 28. We are taking a group photo. 29. He is telling a funny story. 30. I enjoy spending time with friends. Travel and outdoors. 31. I am packing my bag. 32. We are going on a trip. 33. She is buying a train ticket. 34. The flight is on time. 35. He is driving to the city. 36. They are standing at the bus stop. 37. The road is very busy. 38. I am booking a hotel room. 39. The beach looks beautiful. 40. We are visiting new places. Daily expressions. 41. Please speak slowly. 42. Don't worry about it. 43. Everything is okay. 44. I don't understand this. 45. Can you repeat that? 46. Please write it down. 47. I am feeling better now. 48. It is very easy. 49. I am ready to go. 50. Thank you very much.